When it comes to staying ahead of system issues, GoTo Resolve for IT monitoring can be a real game changer. If you're constantly dealing with downtime or frustrated with unpredictable IT problems, this tool might be the solution you need. Stick around to the end because I'm going to break down how this software works, where it excels, and also share some alternatives that might serve your needs even better. First things first, GoTo Resolve is designed to streamline your IT monitoring, so you don't have to wait for a crisis to hit before reacting. It allows you to monitor systems in real time and even gives you access to remote support. This means you can troubleshoot issues before they escalate, which is a huge time saver, especially for IT teams stretched thin. But here's the catch. While the remote support feature is a nice touch, the real-time monitoring capabilities could use a bit more depth. It works fine for basic needs, but when you need advanced analytics or deeper insights, GoTo Resolve might leave you wanting more. It's not as robust as some of the more specialized monitoring tools available on the market. Next thing to consider is ease of use. GoTo Resolve is fairly user-friendly, especially if you're already using other GoTo products. The interface is clean and intuitive, and setting up alerts for system performance is straightforward. However, the platform lacks some customization options that other software offers, making it feel a bit limited for more complex IT environments. The third thing to mention is the pricing structure. While GoTo Resolve is competitive, it may not be the most cost-effective solution, especially for smaller teams or businesses with limited budgets. It offers a standard tier with essential features, but the premium options are pricey when compared to others in the market, and they don't always justify the extra cost. The fourth thing to touch on is the integration capabilities. GoTo Resolve works well with other GoTo products, but when it comes to third-party integrations, it's a bit more restrictive. If you need a tool that can seamlessly plug into your existing IT ecosystem, GoTo Resolve may require more work to get it aligned with other platforms. Now, I know you're probably wondering if there are better options out there, and there are. One of the alternatives I'd recommend is Software X, which offers similar monitoring features, but with better customization and stronger integration options. And the best part? It also offers a solid free trial, so you can test it out risk-free and see if it suits your needs. GoTo Resolve does have its strengths, especially for teams looking for straightforward, remote support and real-time monitoring. But if you need something that offers more depth, flexibility, and a better price-to-performance ratio, it's worth checking out some alternatives. I've linked one of the top contenders in the description below, and through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and some special perks that are only available to our viewers. So if you're serious about staying ahead of system issues, make sure to check out the best free trial options that we've mentioned here and see which one's a better fit for your team's goals. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits. Hit the link below and start testing today.